Hi you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. And yes, I'm wearing the sweatshirt that I wore like my last 5 videos. Okay, don't judge me, it's really comfortable. Anyways, today is kind of a chill day at home. We're actually in the middle of like a low-key ice storm. I don't really know why I did air quotations on that because it's not like a pretend ice storm, like we're in an actual ice storm. It took me about like an hour and a half just to get up my own driveway last night. It was covered in ice. I kept trying to drive up it, and then I finally got halfway up my driveway, which my driveway is kind of like on a slope. I got halfway up my driveway, and then I put my car in park. So I was like, okay, you know what? Like, while I figure out what I can do to actually get my car the rest of the way up my driveway and into the garage, I'm just gonna leave it like halfway in my driveway. I put it in park, turn my car off, everything like that. Shut the car door, walked halfway up, got to my garage door, and I was about to go inside my house, and I hear something moving, so I turn around. I look, and my car in park is sliding back down my driveway, about to hit my neighbor's car. So I had to sprint to get down there. I like jumped in my car, slammed on the emergency parking brake, and luckily it stopped. But then that put me down in the middle of the street again, and then I got stuck in ice and snow. Long story short, I got my car in eventually. But we're in the middle of an ice storm. Oklahoma is basically in like a state of emergency for a really, really bad winter storm. So I'm kind of stuck at home. I can't go anywhere. I've been stuck at home for like the last 3 days. And so I thought it would be a fun day to vlog. Okay, I look a little rough, so I'm gonna go drink my coffee, maybe put on some makeup, do my hair, maybe wash my face would probably be good. And I'll see you guys in a second. Okay, just finished doing my makeup. I'm trying the Il Makiage foundation. I don't know if you guys have heard of that. I don't really know how I feel about it. I think I'm honestly gonna return it. I'm like, it just kind of like sits on top of your face. I don't know, I just don't like the way it lays. But anyways, before we get into the rest of this video, I did want to do a quick shout out to today's sponsor, Desenio. You guys know I love Desenio. This is probably the most natural partnership ever. Pretty much every single like artwork or frame in my house is from Desenio. You guys will see whenever I do my house tour. I love their stuff so much. They have such good quality like posters and frames, prints, everything like that. 10 out of 10, highly recommend them, absolutely love them. I always get questions on this little gallery wall that I have behind my desk. It is all from Desenio. This is just kind of like an up close of what all of the pictures look like. I'll have a link down below if you guys want to go shop any of these. They are absolutely amazing. They just have the most stunning pieces, the most stunning posters. Their posters really just throw together the whole room, and I absolutely love their pieces. Like I said, they're amazing quality, really trendy, just cute. So again, I'll have everything linked down below so you guys can go shop, and then I'll also have all the sizes and dimensions of these frames so you guys can go reference that as well if you wanted to go shop them. So I feel so bad for the puppies. They're so bored with the weather because we can't really like go anywhere or do anything. Hi, baby girl. Look at her waggy tail. You're so beautiful. Oh, look at that nose. You're so cute. Yeah, but they are super bored because they can't go anywhere or do anything. It's too cold for them really to be outside for more than like 5 minutes because it's like a -4 wind chill right now, so. Okay, also, I thought I could do a little OOTD. I got this really cute set in from Boohoo. I feel like Boohoo is one of those things. It's kind of like a very like hit or miss. Either like the quality is going to be really good and like you paid less for it, or you pay less for something and then the quality is going to be like really bad. So it's always like a hit and miss, I feel like. But I wanted to show you guys this one because how cute is it? There's little joggers, but I really like their sweats because they're like looser on your hips and your butt. So like it still is tight on your waist, but it's not like suffocating your butt cheeks if you have a bigger butt, which is amazing. And then the top is just a little bit like cropped, but it's like nice and like tight all around. Anyways, wanted to show you guys because I'm like absolutely obsessed with it. So stay. Okay. You guys, I have been waiting for this package for so long because of the weather. All of the packages are delayed, but I bought an air fryer and it is finally here. I am so excited. I really wanted to include it in my Amazon favorites video that I just did, but obviously it didn't come in time. Okay, let's go open this. Oh my gosh, this is so heavy. Okay, wow, I am so excited for this. Really though, I'm just excited for this because I very much so enjoy making tofu, but I cannot ever get it to be crispy. And an air fryer will make crispy tofu for me. And I'm very excited about that. Okay. Now the question is, where do I even put this on my counters? This is so huge. If you guys remember from my empty house tour, this house is a rental. If you guys didn't know, I am renting my house. But originally it had this like really warm toned granite, which I feel like just didn't flow with the rest of the house, didn't really flow with my aesthetic that I was going for. So I got this contact paper. I'll set you guys down so I can show you. So I got this contact paper and I put it on the island, and I feel like it turned out really well. It's supposed to look like marble. I mean, it's definitely like contact paper. It's not real marble counters, but it looks so much better than what it did before. So I really like the way that this turned out. So what I want to do is I want to go ahead and do that on all of my black counters too, because my cabinets are like all gray and everything. I feel like having white there would really just brighten the place up. So I have the black counters here and then just right over here, and then that's pretty much it. So I want to do that. When I was originally doing the island, I bought way more of that contact paper than I actually needed. So I have a ton left. So I feel like I have enough to completely do both of these countertops. So I think I'm going to try to do that today. It's really not that hard to put on. You literally just peel the paper off and then like stick it down to your counter. So I think I'm going to try to tackle that today because I really want to get the house tour filmed for you guys, because I know everyone keeps asking for it, and then I'm like, oh yeah, like I'm going to like do it this weekend. And then I'm like, oh wait, but like I wanted to do this, or I wanted to change this with my house, or I need to like order this piece of furniture for this part of my house. I don't even know. But I feel like for the most part, my house is like pretty much coming together. There's just like a few last minute little tweaks I need to do, and the counters are one of them. So I think I'm going to do that today. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to take everything off my counters. And then I'm just taking some of this method cleaner and I'm just going to completely wipe them down to make sure there's no like crumbs or anything like that on there before I put the contact paper down. You know, the only bad thing about wearing a white set is I feel like I'm gonna get absolutely everything on it. I feel like the only thing that's gonna be hard about this is that I can't move my whole stove out, so I'm gonna have to somehow be crafty and kind of like tuck the edges in. I feel like it'll be fine because you can't really tell those things anyways unless you're super up close, so I don't know, we'll see how it goes. So for this, really all I'm using is I have this little like scraper tool I got off Amazon. I'll link everything below for you guys. And then I'm also just using this little like X-Acto knife. I really don't have like a way to do this. I kind of just do it and hope it goes well, to be honest with you. So I'll just show you guys how I do it and hope it turns out good. All right, you guys, the first one is done. It actually turned out pretty well. It maybe took me like 10 minutes to do. You can definitely see like a little bit on the edges, but like honestly, I don't really care. Like it's not that big of a deal to me. You can't really tell unless you're super up close, but yeah. But I think it definitely looks so much better than the black. It really just like kind of opens up the whole space and goes with the rest of the house. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that side and then I'll show you guys what it all looks. Just finished the second one. It looks so much better than the black in my opinion. I think it looks so good, but I feel like it just looks like so nice and clean and just like really opens up the space. I ran out of contact paper though, so I'm not gonna have enough to do this counter. I think I'm probably gonna just have to order some more off Amazon, but I wanted to show you guys this because it's only maybe like, I think it's like 30-40 bucks for like a huge 6.5 foot roll. So this is such a good and easy way to like redo your counters if you're living in a rental and you can't like actually fully change them, or maybe you just don't want to spend the money on it. Honestly, this is such a good little hack. And since it is just like a peel and stick, literally you just peel it off and it doesn't even damage your counters. So okay, just had some tropical smoothies delivered for lunch since I have like no groceries in and I'm waiting for them to come in. But I just got a island green smoothie and then I take out any of the sweeteners. And then I got their hummus and veggie wrap, and then I just obviously took out the ranch and the cheese, so it just has rice, black beans, red onions, hummus, and lettuce. But seriously, you guys, this thing is so yummy. This one actually looks kind of sad today, I'm not gonna lie. Usually it looks better, but super yummy. Okay, so update. I looked outside, and I haven't been outside all day, but I looked outside, and my driveway is completely melted. I honestly where's my chapstick? I didn't know the ice would melt in like 10-degree weather. I thought that this is frozen because I left it in my car. Oh my gosh. But yeah, I didn't think the ice would melt when it's like 10 degrees outside. I don't know if it's just because like the sun's been shining it all day or what, but I'm very excited because for the next like 3 days, we're supposed to get like a foot of snow and this whole like ordeal. So we're pretty much not going to be able to go anywhere for sure. So I need to go to the grocery store because I was going to have my groceries delivered. But Instacart rescheduled it for after this whole storm. So like for another week. So I need to go get groceries while I still can. And then I'm going to take the dogs to my mom's house to run around because they've been stuck inside since it has been such bad weather recently. So since we have like one clear day, I'm going to try to get all their energy out because they're driving me up the wall. And I know that they're really bored and hyper too. So we're gonna go ahead and do that now. Okay guys, just got back from the store. Thought I would do a quick little grocery haul. I honestly didn't get anything really that exciting, but I know you guys like grocery hauls. So I just got some almond milk. I got some orange juice. I got some brown rice. I picked up some more coconut oil. I got some avocado spray. I got some more of my Calm gummies. You guys know I love these. I got some bananas. I've really been liking like peanut butter and banana on toast for breakfast, or putting a banana in my chocolate protein shakes in the morning. So I also got some more chocolate protein. And then I got some cocoa powder because I'm probably going to be making some kind of like chocolate vegan cookie or something while I'm snowed in. And then I got some baby carrots and some celery so I can make some vegan chicken noodle soup. And then I got some tofu so I can make my sweet and sour tofu. I got these little acai packs. So they're really easy. You just throw them in a blender with some like water or milk or something like that. And then blend them up and then you have like the perfect acai bowl. And I really like these ones because it's not like extra sweetened. So I got some of those. And I got some spinach. I got more of my oatmeal cookie creamer. You guys know I'm obsessed with this. And then I got some So Delicious coconut milk yogurt so I can have little like fruit parfaits in the morning. And then I got some of these. These are honestly like a guilty pleasure. I used to like love fish fillets when I was little. So I picked up some of these and then I got some more broccoli too. So anyways, that's just everything that I got. So for the rest of the night, I really don't have a lot to do. I just have a ton of editing to do. So I'm going to be editing for like the next, honestly, probably like 6 hours. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap the vlog up here. As soon as I try out the air fryer, I'll totally let you guys know how I like it, show you how I use it, all that good stuff. I just don't have time to use it tonight, but we'll definitely do that soon. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog and I will catch you in my next video. Bye guys.